Chapter first, Introduction to Computer. The word computer has been derived from Latin language. A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data according to the set of instructions. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. A computer is used to type documents, send emails, and browse the internet. It is also used to handle accounting, database management, presentations, games, and so on. Functioning of a computer. Computer performs for basic functions which are as follows. First, input. Information or data that is entered into a computer is called input. It sends data and instructions to the central processing unit CPU. Second, processing. It is the sequence of actions taken on data to convert it into information which is meaningful to the user. It it can be calculations, comparisons, or decisions taken by the computer. Third, output. It makes processed data available to the user. It is mainly used to display the desired results, desired desired result to the user as per input instructions. Fourth, storage. It stores data and programs permanently. It is used to store information during the time of a program execution and possible to get any type of information from it. Features of a computer. The key features of a computer are as follows. First, speed. The computer can process data very fast at the rate of millions of instructions per second. Second, accuracy. Uh, Computers provide a high degree of accuracy. They respond to the user as per the input instructions. Third, storage capacity. Computers are capable to store huge amount of data which depends on the capacity of a hard disk. Fourth, ver- versa- versa- versatility. Fourth, versatility. Computers can do different types of work simultaneously. They can perform multiple tasks at a same time. Fifth, automation. Once the instruction to do any work is given to the computer does its work automatically by self. Sixth, diligence. Unlike a human beings, a computer is free from monotony, tiredness, lack of concentration, etc., and can work for hours without creating any errors. Seventh, secrecy. Secrecy and leakage of information is reduced by creating login system with password protection. Eighth, reliability. Computers are more reliable than human beings. Computers always produce exact results. The possibility of errors occur only if the input is wrong. For example, the computer never make mistakes of their own accord. Ninth, plug and plug and play. Computers have the ability to automatically configure a new hardware and software component. uh, Terms related to computer. First, hardware. It is the collection of physical elements that constitutes a computer system. It is a comprehensive term for all the physical parts of a computer. For example, display, screens, disk, keyboards, etc. Second, software. It is a set of programs and procedures. Software tells the hardware what to do and how to accomplish a task. For example, web browsers, word processors, etc. Third, data. Unprocessed raw facts and figures like numbers, text on piece of paper are known as data. Fourth, information. when data is processed, organized, structured, or presented in a given context so as to be useful, then it is called information. Fifth, instruction. It is a command given to a computer in the computer language by the user. Sixth, program. It is a set of instructions given to a computer in order to perform some task. History of computers. Computer is not the creation of one day. Rather, it took a long period for a development of a modern computer. History of a computer is described in this table. Invention, inventor, characteristics, applications. Abacus, invention, abacus, 16, 1600, 02, 16 1602 इन्वेंटेड चाइना फर्स्ट 1602 में चाइना में फर्स्ट मैकेनिकल कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस हॉरिजॉन्टल रोड represents the one, tens, hundreds, etc. Applications used for addition and subtraction operations. Calculation of square roots can also be performed. Invention Napier's bones 1617. Inventor John Napier, Scotland. Characteristics three-dimensional structure holding numbers from 0 to 9 only. Represents graphical structure of calculating results. Applications perform multiplication on numbers. Technology used for calculation called rhabdologia. Invention पास्केलिन 1642 में इन्वेंटर ब्लेसी पास्कल फ्रांस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फर्स्ट मैकेनिकल एडिंग मशीन इट वाज स्ट्रक्चर्ड लाइक अ रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स विथ 8 डिस्क रिप्रेजेंट नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स applications perform addition and subtraction of two numbers mainly designed with regard to the pressure of liquid. Invention जैक्वार्ड्स लूम 1801 में इन्वेंटर जोसेफ मैरी जैक्वार्ड फ्रांस का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मेनली viewed a silk based pattern used punched card for the sequence of operations. Applications simplified the process of a textile. Invention analytical engine 1837. Inventor Charles Babbage, father of computer, London. Characteristics first general purpose computer stored a program in the form of pegs also called barrels. Applications it is a decimal machine used sign and magnitude for representation of a number. Introduction to computer invention tabulating machine 1890 में इन्वेंटर हरमन होलेरिंथ अमेरिका का it used punched cards with round holes. It was the first electromechanical machine designed to process the data for census in 1890. Applications read one card at a time. Next Mark 1st 1944 में इन्वेंटर होवर्ड एल्किन अमेरिका में consists of interlocking panels of small glass counters, switches and control circuits. Data can be entered manually. Mainly used in the war efforts during World War II. Magnetic drums are used for storage. फिर next ENIAC 1946 में इन्वेंटर JP Earhart and J.W. Machley, America. It is a combination of 20 accumulators. First electronic digital computer used for weather prediction, atomic energy calculation and other scientific users. Next एडसेक 1949 में, जॉन वॉन न्यूमैन अमेरिका ने खोज की। इट वाज फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर विच प्रोवाइडेड स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी। फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम वाज रन ऑन मशीन capable of storing instructions and data in memory, used mercury delay lines for memory, vacuum tubes for logic। फिर है यूनिवेक 1951 में, जे प्रेस पर एक कार्ट एंड जॉन मैकॉली अमेरिका ने इन्वेंशन किया। फर्स्ट जनरल पर्पस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंप्यूटर विथ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ इनपुट एंड आउटपुट, यूज्ड मैग्नेटिक टैप्स एज इनपुट एंड आउटपुट। फिर IBM 650 कंप्यूटर जो 1953 में IBM कंपनी द्वारा प्रोवाइडेड इनपुट आउटपुट यूनिट्स कन्वर्टिंग अल्फ़ाबेटिकल एंड स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स टू 2-digit डेसिमल कोड, पेरोल प्रोसेसिंग, ऑयल रिफाइनरी डिजाइन, मार्केट रिसर्च एनालिसिस। जनरेशंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर, जनरेशन refers to the state of improvement in the development of a system. Computers are built of electromechanical before generations. Each generation of a computer is characterized by a major technological development that fundamentally changed the way computers operate. Generation, switching device, storage, operating system, characteristic applications। फर्स्ट जनरेशन 1942 and 1956, switching device, vacuum tube, storage device, speed, magnetic drums, 333 microseconds, operating system, batch operating system, machine language, binary numbers, zero and ones। characteristic, fastest computing device, generate a large amount of heat, non-portable application, used for scientific purpose, for example ENIAC, UNIVAC, Mark first, etc। second generation 1956 to 63, switching device, transistor made up of semiconductor, storage device, speed, magnetic core technology, 10 microseconds, operating system, time sharing OS, operating system, multitasking operating system, assembly language, high level language। characteristic, more reliable and less prone to hardware failure, portable and generate less amount of heat। applications used for commercial production, for example PDP-8, IBM 1401, etc। third generation 1964 to 1971, switching device, integrated circuits, ICs made up of silicons, storage device, speed, magnetic core as primary storage, medium 100 nanoseconds, operating system, real-time system, high-level language, Fortran, COBOL, ALGOL। characteristics, consumed less power, highly sophisticated technology required। applications, database management system, for example NCR 395, B 6500, etc। fourth generation 1971 to present, switching device, large scale integrated LSI, large scale integrated circuit microprocessor, storage device, speed, semiconductor memory, Winchester disk, 300 nanoseconds, operating system, time sharing, GUI interface, Pascal, ADA, COBOL 74, Fortran 4। characteristics, more reliable and portable, this generation leads to better communication and resource sharing। applications, distributed system, for example Intel 4004 chips, Misentos। fifth generation present and beyond, switching device, super large scale integrated SLSI chips, storage or device or speed optical disk, operating system, knowledge information processing system, characteristics, parallel processing, Intel Core microprocessor is implemented, enables mega chips applications, artificial intelligence, for example, robotics. Titbits yani Siddhartha was the first computer developed in India. Alan Turing is known as the father of the modern computer. John von Neumann was introduced first architecture of a computer in the year 1948. Transistors were invented by Bell Laboratory. In 1958, Jack St. Clair Kilby and Robert Noyce invented the first IC. In a latest generation computers, the instructions are executed parallel as well as sequential. Classification of a computer. Computers are mainly classified in three types as follows. Classification of a computer based on size, microcomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, supercomputer. Based on work, analog computer, digital computer, hybrid computer. Based on purpose, general purpose computer, special purpose computer. Based on a size. On the basis of size, computers are categorized as follows. Microcomputer. These types of computers are the least powerful yet the most widely used and are also called portable computers. Microcomputer consists of three basic categories of physical equipment. For example, system unit, input output unit, and memory unit. Some types of microcomputers are as follows: A. Desktop computer or personal computer (PC). These are small, relatively economical computers. These are based on the microprocessor technology, integrated circuit ICs. B. Laptop. These computers are also known as ultrabook or notebook. These are portable and lightweighted. They include a rechargeable battery, so these can work anywhere. Introduction to computer. Uh, C. Handhold or palm top computers. These are the smallest and are designed to fit into the palm. So these are also known as a palm top. They are practical for certain functions such as phone books and calendars. They use the pen for input instead of keyboards. For example, PDA, personal digital assistant, tablets, etc. D. Tablet computer. They have key features of the notebook computer, but these can accept input from a pen instead of the keyboard or mouse. E. Workstation computer. These are computers dedicated to a user or group of users engaged in business or professional work. It includes one or more high resolution. Next, E. Workstation computer. These are computers dedicated to a user or a group of users engaged in business or professional work. It includes one or more high resolution displays and a faster processor than a personal computer PC. Mini computer. These are smaller in size, faster and cost lower than mainframe computers. Initially, the mini computer was designed to carry out some specific tasks like engineering and computer aided design (CAD), computer aided design calculations, calculations, but now they are being used as a central computer, which is known as a server. Mini computers are IBM 17, DEC, DEC PDP-11, HP 9000, etc. Mainframe computer. These types of computers having large internal memory storage and a comprehensive range of software. A mainframe computer serves as a backbone for the entire business world. It is considered as the heart of a network of computers or terminals that allow a large number of people to work at the same time. Mainframe computers are IBM 370, IBM S390, UNIVAC 1110, etc. Supercomputer. These are the fastest and more expensive machines. They have high processing speed. High. They have high processing speed compared to other computers. Supercomputers are most powerful, large in size and memory compared to all other computers. The speed of supercomputers are measured in flops, floating point operations per second. Supercomputers are used for highly calculation intensive tasks such as weather forecasting, nuclear research, military, military agencies, and scientific research laboratories. First, CRY, first, CRAY, CRY first was the world's first supercomputer introduced by Seymour R. Cray in 1976. Second, Param was the first supercomputer developed in India in 1990. Third, Param Isan is the latest machine in the series of Param made by CDEC and IIT Guwahati on 20th September 2016 based on work. On the basis of work, computers are categorized as follows. Analog computer. These computers carry out arithmetic and logical operations by manipulating and processing of data. For example, speedometers, seismograph, etc. Analog computer can perform several mathematical operations simultaneously. It uses continuous variables for mathematical operations and utilize mechanical or electrical energy. Digital computer. Uh, these do work by calculating the binary digits. A digital computer not only performs mathematical calculations but also combines the bytes to produce desired graphics, sounds, for example, desktop PC. Hybrid computer. These are the combination of analog and digital computers. Machines used in hospitals like ECG and dialysis are the commonly used hybrid computers based on purpose. On the basis of purpose, computers are categorized as follows. General purpose computer. General purpose computers are those computers which are used to solve a variety of problems by changing the program or instructions, for example, to make a small database, calculations, accounting, etc. Special purpose computer. Special purpose computers are those computers which are used to solve a single and dedicated types of problem, for example, automatic aircraft landing, multimedia computers, etc. Quantum computer was first introduced by Richard Feynman. It uses quantum mechanical phenomena. It is the fastest computer imitating brain working. Nanocomputer. It is general term used to describe a computer smaller than a microcomputer, usually about the size of a credit card. For example, uh, Raspberry Pi, uh, Pi, which could be used in schools to teach science to children. Proteus, India's fastest and first multi-petaflops PF supercomputer named Proteus was unveiled at Pune-based Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology (IITM). Proteus has 6.8 petaflops uh, co- computational power installed at two MOES institutes, 4.0 petaflops HPC facility at IITM, IIT M. Pune and 2.8 petaflops facility at NCMRF Noida. Perseus is fourth fastest supercomputer in the world dedicated to weather and climate research. Note petaflops is a measure of computer's processing speed. Applications of a computer. Some of the areas where computers are being used are as follows. First, banking. Computers are used in a bank for electronic money transfer, making deposits, voucher, bank sheet, etc. Second, education. Computer is a very effective tool which can be used for teaching and learning. Result processing, student data processing, notes preparation, etc. Third, entertainment. Different types of entertainment field such as multimedia, film making with animation, graphics, audio and audio and visual design are done with the help of a computer. Fourth, OPCs. Computers are used for preparing reports, storing, deleting reports, updating reports, etc. In office. Fifth, advertisement. Computers are used in the different fields of advertisement such as business advertisement, film advertisement, education advertisement, etc. Sixth, business. Computers are used in business for accounting, keeping all records up to date, etc. Artificial intelligence (AI) is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. Some of the activities computers with AI are designed for include speech, speech recognition, learning, planning, problem solving, etc. Robotics. It is the branch of engineering and science that deals with the design, construction, operation, and use of robots as well as computer systems for their control, sensory feedback, and information processing. Question bank. Question first. The Question first. The word computer has been derived from which of the following language? First, Greek. Second, English. Third, Hindi. Fourth, Latin. The correct answer is fourth, Latin. Second question. Next, input, output, and processing devices grouped together. Present and a first mobile device. Second, information processing cycle. Third, circuit board. Fourth, computer system. The correct answer is fourth, computer system. Next question. Which of the following is the correct order of the four major functions of a computer? A. Process, output, input, storage. Second, input, output, process, storage. Third, process, storage, input, output. Fourth, input, process, output, storage. The correct answer is fourth, input, process, output, storage. Next question. Collecting the data and converting it into information is called a processing. Second, compiling. Third, importing. Fourth, exporting. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is a processing. Next question. Computer cannot perform A. Input. B. Output. C. Thinking. Fourth, processing. The correct answer is 3 yani thinking. Next question. A computer cannot perform which of the following functions? First, addition. Second, subtraction. Third, bake a cake. Fourth, division. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is third, bake a cake. Next question. Part number this Next question. Part number, description, and number of parts ordered are example of A. Control. B. Output. C. Processing. D. Feedback. fifth input. The correct answer is 3 processing. Next question. Benefits of computers are a uh, first, very fast and can store huge amount of data. Second, provide accurate output, either input is correct or not. Third, think about the processing. Fourth, all of the above. The correct answer is first, very fast and can store huge amount of data. Next question. A collection of unprocessed items is a information, first information, second data, third memory, fourth reports, fifth none of these. The correct answer is second data. Next question. Which among the following cycle consists of an input, processing, output and storage as its constituents? A processing, second output, third input, fourth storage, fifth data. The correct answer is fifth data. Next question. Dash. Next question. Dash is data that has been organized and presented in a meaningful fashion. A. First, a process. Second, software. Third, storage. Fourth, information. Fifth, data. The correct answer is fourth, information. Next question. Data or information used to run the computer is called first, hardware. Second, CPU. Third, peripheral. Fourth, software. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is fifth, none of these. Next question. The steps and tasks needed to process data, such as responses to questions or clicking an icon, are called first, instructions. Second, the operating system. Third, application software. Fourth, the system unit. Fifth, the hardware unit. The correct answer is first, instructions. Next question. The earliest calculating device is a calculator. Second, abacus. Third, different engine. Third, difference engine. Fourth, analytical engine. Fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is second, abacus. Abacus. Next question. Abacus can perform A. Addition, B. Subtraction, third, multiplication, fourth, both first and second. The correct answer is fourth, both first and second. Next question. The Napier's technology used for calculation called A. Nepto and Neptologia, second, Vibologia, third, semiconductor, fourth, Rhabdologia. The correct answer is fourth, Rhabdologia. Next question. Pascaline is also known by A. Abacus, first abacus, second addition machine, third division machine, fourth difference machine. The correct answer is second addition machine. Punched punched card were also introduced by A. Powers, B. Pascal, C. Jacquard, fourth Herman Hollerith, fifth none of these. The correct answer is third, Jacquard. Next question. Which of the following is also which of the following is known as the father of a computer? A. Dennis Ritchie. Second, Napier. Third, Charles Babbage. Fourth, Alan Turing. The correct answer is third, Charles Babbage. Next question. Analytical engine developed by A. Blaise Pascal. Second, Charles Babbage. Third, Dennis Ritchie. Fourth, Alan Turing. The correct answer is second, Charles Babbage. Next question. The analytical engine developed during the first generation of computers used dash as a memory unit. First, RAM. second floppies, third cards, fourth counter wheels, fifth none of these. The correct answer is fourth counter wheels. Next question. Tabulating machine was the first mechanical machine developed by first Herman Hollerith, second Ho- Howard Aiken, third Blaise Pascal, fourth John Napier. The correct answer is first Herman Hollerith. Next question. Who designed the first electronic computer ENIAC? A. Von Neumann, second Joseph M. Jacquard, third Presper Earhart and John W. Mauchly, fourth all of the above. The correct answer is third Presper Earhart and John W. Macaulay. Next question. The first computer which provides storage is first EDSEC, second EDVEC, third Mark first, fourth ACE. The correct answer is first EDSEC. Next question. Name the first generation purpose electronic computer. First EDVEC, second EDSEC, third UNIVAC, third EDVEC, fifth none of these. The correct answer is third UNIVAC. Next question. Next question. Computer size was very large in first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. The correct answer is first generation. Next question. Which generation computers were based on first transistors, second conductors, third ICs, fourth vacuum tubes? First generation. The correct answer is vacuum tubes. Fourth correct answer is fourth vacuum tubes. Next question. Computer built before the first generation computers was first mechanical, second electromechanical, third electrical, fourth electronics. The correct answer is second electromechanical. Next question. First generation computers used dash language. First machine, second assembly, and third both first and second, fourth high level, fifth none of these. The correct answer is first machine language. Next question. Speed of a first generation computer was in first nano nanoseconds, second milliseconds, third nanomilliseconds, fourth microseconds, fifth none of these. The correct answer is fourth microseconds. Next question. Time sharing next question. Time sharing became possible in dash generation of computers. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth none of these. The correct answer is second generation में. Next question. The period of the second generation computer was first 19. Next question. The period of the second generation computer was first 1946 to 1958, second 1940 to 1960, third 1956 to 1963, fourth 1957 to 1964. The correct answer is third, yani 1956 to 1956 to 1963. Next question. Integrated chips or ICs were started to be used from which generation of computers? A. First generation, B. Second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. The correct answer is third generation. Next question. Chip is a common nickname for a first transistor, second register, third integrated circuit, fourth semiconductor, fifth none of these. The correct answer is third integrated circuit. Next question. The third generation computers were made with first biochips, second transistors, third integrated circuits, fourth vacuum tubes, fifth discrete components. The correct answer is third integrated circuits. The next question. Uh, Integrated circuits, IC or chips used in computers are made with A. Copper, B. Aluminium, C. Gold, D. Silicon, E. Silver. The correct answer is C. Gold. Gold. Next question. The next question. A complete electronic circuit with transistors and other electronic components on a small silicon chip is called a an first workstation, second CPU, third magnetic disk, fourth integrated circuit, fifth complex circuit. The correct answer is the correct answer is तीसरा star यानी integrated circuit. Next question. Integrated circuit IC or chips used in computers are made with first copper, second aluminium, third gold, fourth silicon, fifth silver. The correct answer is fourth silicon. Next question. PCs are considered fourth generation and contains first information, second data, third vacuum tubes, fourth microprocessors, fifth transistors. The correct answer is fourth microprocessors. Next question. Artificial intelligence is an example of first first generation computer, second generation computer, third generation computer, fourth generation computer, fifth generation computer. The correct answer is fifth generation computer. Next question. First computer of India is A. Param, first Param, second Siddharth, third IBM 370, fourth Cry first. The correct answer is Siddharth. Next question. Computer's basic architecture was developed by first John von Neumann, second Charles Babbage, third Blaise Pascal, fourth Jordan Moon. The correct answer is John von Neumann. Next question. Who developed the integrated chip? First Robert Nayak, second C. Charles Babbage, third G.S. Kilby, fourth C.V. Raman. The correct answer is third G.S. Kilby. Next question. In a latest generation computers, the instructions are executed first only parallel, second only sequentially, third both first and second, fourth either first or second. The correct answer is third both first and second. Next question. A microcomputer hardware consists of three basic categories of physical equipment. First, keyboard, monitor, hardware. Second, system unit, input-output memory. Third, system unit, input-output secondary storage. Fourth, system unit, primary storage, secondary storage. The correct answer is second, system unit, input-output memory. Next question. Which of the following options correctly expresses the meaning of the term PCs? First, independent computers for all working staff. Second, personal computers widely available to individual workers with which they can access information from layer systems and increase their personal productivity. Third, packed computers system formed by joining together of various computer terminals. Fourth, computer manufactured by the Pentium company. Fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is Second, यानी personal computers widely available to individual workers with which they can access information from layer systems and increase their personal productivity. Next question. Which of the following is a small micro processor based computer designed to be used by one person at a time? First, netbook. Second, supercomputer. Third, all-in-one. Fourth, notebook. Fifth, personal computer. The correct answer is fifth, personal computer. Next question. Tablet PC is a type of a. Microcomputer. Second, supercomputer. Third, mini computer. Fourth, mainframe computer. The correct answer is first, microcomputer. Next question. Computers that are portable and convenient to use for users who travel are known as first, supercomputers. Second, mini computers. Third, mainframe computers. Fourth, laptops. The correct answer is for the laptops. Next question. Desktop and personal computers are also known as first, supercomputers. Second, servers. Third, mainframes. Fourth, peripheral equipment. Fifth, microcomputers. The correct answer is fifth, microcomputers. Next question. Which of the following uses a handheld operating system? A. First, a supercomputer. Second, a personal computer. Third, a laptop. Fourth, a mainframe. Fifth, a PDA. The correct answer is fifth, a PDA. A PDA. Next question. A palm top computer is also known as palm top computer is also known as first, personal computer. Second, notebook computer. Third, tablet PC. Fourth, hand handheld computer. The correct answer is fourth, handheld computer. Next question. A central computer that holds collections of data and programs for many PCs, workstations, and other computers is a first, supercomputer. Second, mini computer. Fourth, third, laptop. Fourth, server. The correct answer is fourth, servers. Next, which computer is used for computer aided design CAD calculations? First, mini computer. Second, mainframe computer. Third, supercomputer. Fourth, microcomputer. The correct answer is first, mini computer. Next question. Which of the following is generally costlier? First, server. Second, notebook computer. Third, personal computer. Fourth, laptop computer. Fifth, mainframe computer. The correct answer is fifth, mainframe computer. Next question. The user generally applies dash to access mainframe to supercomputer. First, terminal. Second, node. Third, desktop. Fourth, handheld. The correct answer is second, node. Next, these are specially designed computers that perform complex calculations extremely rapidly. First, servers. Second, supercomputers. Third, laptops. Fourth, mainframes. The correct answer is second, supercomputers. Next question. A dash computer is a large and expensive computer capable capable of performing scientific and business applications. First, supercomputer. Second, mainframe computers. Third, mini computer. Fourth, handheld computer. The correct answer is first, supercomputer. Next question. First supercomputer developed in India is first, Param. Second, Cray. First, third, Param Isan. Fourth, EP Param. The correct answer is first, Param. Next question. Perseus is dash fastest supercomputer in the world. First, second, third, fourth. The correct answer is fourth fastest computer in the world. Next question. Perseus supercomputer is dedicated for first, multimedia. Second, weather forecasting. Third, recreation. Fourth, military personnel. The correct answer is second, weather forecasting. Next question. Which of the following is the India's first multi petaflops PF supercomputer? First Param, second Perseus, third Param Isan, fourth Tiane second. The correct answer is second Perseus. Next question. Analog computer works on the supply of first continuous electrical pulsage, second electrical pulsage but not continuous, third magnetic strength, fourth physical strength. The correct answer is first continuous electrical pulsage. Next question. Seismograph is an example of first analog computer, second digital computer, third hybrid computer, fourth all of these. The correct answer is first analog computer. Next question. These computers work by calculating the binary digits. First hybrid, second digital, third analog, fourth general purpose. The correct answer is second digital. Next question. Choose the add one out. First microcomputer, second mini computer, third supercomputer, fourth digital computer, fifth notebook computer. The correct answer is fourth digital computer. Next question. A hybrid computer is the one having the combined properties of first super and microcomputers, second mini and microcomputers, third analog and digital computers, fourth super and mini computers, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is three analog and digital computers. Next question. Which types of computers are used in hospitals like ECG and dialysis? First digital, second hybrid, third analog, fourth microcomputer. The correct answer is second hybrid computer. Next question. General purpose computers are used for first creating a small database, second performs calculation, third accounting, fourth all of the above. The correct answer is fourth all of the above. Next question. Next question. Which is not the example of a special purpose computer? First automatic aircraft landing, second word processor, third multimedia computer, fourth all of the above. The correct answer is second word processor. Next question. Uh, which type of a computer is used in a automatic aircraft landing? First general computer, second supercomputer, third special purpose computer, fourth microcomputer. The correct answer is third special purpose computer. Next question. Which of the following is the smallest and fastest computer imitating brain working? First supercomputer, second quantum computer, third Param 10,000, fourth IBM chips, fifth none of these. The correct answer is first supercomputer. The correct answer is second quantum computer. Next question. In which of the following computers are used? First banking, second education, third offices, fourth all of these. The correct answer is fourth all of these. Next question. It is the science that attempts to produce machines that display the same type of intelligence that humans do. First nanoscience, second nanotechnology, third simulation, fourth artificial intelligence AI. The correct answer is fourth artificial intelligence. Next question. Which of the following uh, I deals with the design, construction, operation and use of robotics? First robotics, second artificial intelligence, third nanocomputer, fourth quantum computer. The correct answer is first robotics. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नेक्स्ट किस पे टॉपिक पे वीडियो चाहिए वो बताएं।